Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, because basically I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one requires entering the contact list so you can block the number which you've got currently saved, and the second way is more manual and I'll show it to you of course also. So let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Here your device will inform you that it will block the number, so you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So simply tap on block to confirm, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, the information also that this number has been blocked. Of course we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here let's enter blocked numbers, and as you can see one of those numbers is just because we blocked the contact, and I'm not really sure which one, but that's okay. Basically the first option also works, and as I said here, this option is more manual because we have to tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Of course if you want to, you can paste it if you've got it copied and then tap on block, and as you can see the number has been blocked immediately. It also appears on the blacklist. Here we've got the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and after turning it on, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it with tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.